Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tictok. Yes, I'm back with another video. Don't ask me where I've been. Just know that we're here now. Hopefully you can hear me better. I just turned off the air. I'm sacrificing for you guys. Honestly, it's been slow. I have nothing to talk about. And I was getting appointments here and there. It's been slow, but I said, okay, I'm gonna record something today. I already envisioned myself recording today because today's the Chris Brown concert. And I'm like, I'm going to get an appointment today, like at least one. And I was gonna record it anyway. I have two, and it's travel, so that's where we're going. Y'all know the phone concert comes first, but I'm gonna, whatever I get, I will put in this vlog. But basically today's going to be the day in the life of a makeup artist, and I'm actually going to keep it just today because I'm planning on making the most of my day. Y'all, I'm actually parked in a handicap and I know I should not be here, and everybody's having a horrible time, but I'm just about to go, and I need some Noxzema wipes. I actually have a couple of things. The appointment's at 3 o'clock. It's in Miami. I have to go here, get Noxzema pads, and I need to go to Sephora or Ulta, and I need to get some gas in my car. I gotta do all of that before 3, and it's 1:14, so I'm about to go in that store and come right back out. Okay, yeah, I'll turn back on the AC. Two things. It's like 1:18, so I was in there for 4 minutes. I got my Noxzema pads. Now I need to go get gas because I only have 8 miles. Go right to that gas station, then get back over here so we get this show on the road. Life be lifing, and life was lifing like it never lifed before, and that's the real reason why I have not came on this camera, because I try to remain positive. I try to be realistic, and I try to remain positive, and it was getting a little too hard to do both of that, so I just didn't come on the camera. I really had nothing to say. Like, I really had nothing to say. When your mom said we don't have nothing to say, don't say nothing at all. And I had nothing to say. Update. Ooh, why it's not moving? Update, I'm here at Ulta. It's 1:40. And I'm gonna bring my camera inside with y'all so the vlog won't be so boring. That line looks too long. I'm actually not excited about that. Hate that for me. Made it in Ulta. I hope they have it. I'm looking for that big red can. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. I'm not going nowhere else. They got the Morphe. I have this. Okay. I have this, but I don't like that when I spray it. It feels like it leaves dots. I'm gonna go ask somebody. So they didn't have the L'Oreal Infallible, what I was looking for, here at Ulta, and I'm just gonna go to Sephora to go get the one size setting spray, which is what I had, but I was trying to be a little cheap, and pick up the L'Oreal Infallible wear because I hear good things about it, but they don't have that, so I'm gonna get what I need, and I need to get going. Okay, it's 2:02. I guess I can frolic with you guys for like a minute or so, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got this one size, the big one. I've used this multiple times since 2022. I got some Lancome lip oil samples, and I got some of this Kiehl's Ultra Body Mega Moisture I'm gonna try that on. I love a Sempoliana, so I'm not against that. And I'm about to hit the road, Jack. Seriously. I'm about to hit the road. And head to Miami. We're right on time. And like I said, it's like a 45-minute drive without tolls. Alright, I'm about to do the dash. Hey y'all, so I'm here with just a little voiceover. I recorded this video on my phone, hence why you see the 2 black squares on the side. So this was the Chris Brown concert, which was like maybe a week and a half ago. Last week, about to be last week. Anyway, it was her birthday. This was the mother, and she wanted a signature glam, which is basically my full glam. She wanted a brown smoky eye. Her outfit was so cute. At the end, I didn't get it, but I just have this here for you guys, so you can see like how everything went. I did her and her daughter, and this glam came out so pretty. It's not up on Instagram yet. Probably when you see this, it might be up, but it's not. And then this was her daughter. Had great conversations. Both of these women were like amazing. I felt so connected to them. I feel like I knew them already. The daughter got a soft glam, and she wanted a little extra soft than what I've been doing recently. Also, guys, I feel like I've been switching up my techniques a lot. Not really a lot, but like as a makeup artist or service provider, do you guys switch up your techniques a lot? But I'm just popping in. Love y'all. Okay guys, it is 5:23. I finished around 5 o'clock exactly. Like probably before that. I did 1 full glam, which was a signature glam, and 1 soft glam. Super cute, super cute. Super tea. You guys are gonna see the video, y'all gonna have the footage or whatever. But it is a lot of traffic. Once again, we hate Miami. Hate Miami traffic. And it's literally telling me it's gonna take me an hour to get home. That is just right now. That's what we got going right now. If you're ever in the Fort Lauderdale, Miami area, I'm always here. I'm always available. My booking information will be on my Instagram, which is going to be right here on the screen, also in the description below. Please book. Y'all, somebody just tried to call me on FaceTime. I don't know who that is, unfortunately. Sorry to that guy. I don't know who that is. Today, it is the 31st of July. So that is the ending of the month. So I'm going to track, and they're calling back. That's aggravating. So we're going to go ahead and track my expenses, right? So I'm just going to show you guys. This kind of needs to be updated a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys basically what it is. So it's my 2025 monthly tracker. 2025, I had the month down here. It's July. I skipped a month. I completely forgot May. May was slow anyway, but I wish I still had May to just figure that out. But these are all of my services. I need to edit this, and I need to edit this because a lot of this has changed. This is all of my information from last month, so I just need to take that out. But this is my goal for the month. This is enough for me to pay off all my bills for the month, and I tried to make that goal. So you see, last month I made that goal, and this is my total expenses, but this needs to be updated or whatever the case is. Now I use Acuity scheduling. I pay for Acuity scheduling. It does the same thing, but I don't really have, most of my bookings are not from Acuity scheduling. They're mostly text to book or whatever the case is. And if I'm up to it, I'll input that if I'm up to it, I'll input that information on Acuity scheduling. But if not, I still track it. I just got my nails done. Can you tell I'm talking a lot with my hands? I don't know, something switched on my camera quality. Like, it was just a whole bunch of stuff changed, and I was playing with it, and like I feel like the camera quality is so crisp right now. But I'm going to the Everglades on either Monday or Tuesday, so love a good theme. So we got those, but I will track it here. So this was July. July was pretty slow. But nonetheless, I'm pretty sure I made my goal and above beyond my goal, so I'm excited about that. So basically now we're just going to input it, but I'm going to clear all of this stuff out. I didn't have any before after hours touch up kits, take that out. Signature glams, take that out. So I'm just going to delete all of this stuff and edit it. Travel fee. Oh yeah, I did have a travel fee. Make sure I put that on here. Make sure I update this. I want this and everything to match. Okay, and then I clear this out. And then I cleared this out. My fault, y'all. It was one of my clients. Well, I was doing that, but they called again. It was my. I was trying to update this, trying to do the calculations to show y'all. Then my client called me again. It was one of my clients who she came to me like last month. First time she going to the Chris Brown concert in Tampa, so she getting her makeup done before. She was just telling me that she wants to switch up the day instead of Friday. Thursday. Freaking these mosquitoes is pissing me off. Instead of Thursday, she wants to come Friday morning. So that was that. But I'm about to actually input this information and then show you guys it. Okay, for real this time. Okay, so this month I had a total of 9 clients, and my total income for this month was $810. I'm glad that I keep track of this because just full transparency, if you ask me, I'm like, where's this money at? Literally, where's this money at? Because I don't have that. I mean, I have it, but I don't have it. Like, whatever. So I'm glad this puts in perspective. Like, the money is being made. The money is being made, but it's so close that to me it's kind of like, I don't know if I'm seeing a difference. But I did have a total of 9 clients, like I mentioned, and I'm just going to show you guys my little breakdown of what that 9 client consisted of. So out of those 9 clients, I had 2 travel clients, so that was on $50 each client, and then majority of the bulk here are soft glands. So you see I had $375 in the soft glands, $75 each. You guys do the math, I'm not doing that today. You see that my signature glams are my second popular thing, which is why I kind of switched up my pricing. So I used to have like a whole bunch of stuff, but now I just have soft glam, signature glam, because it's usually those 2 that people book for. It was $85, but now it's just $100 flat. So soft glam 75, signature glam 100. But because this is a loyal client that I had, and I hadn't let anybody really know that prices were raised until they start coming back, I'm honoring that price that they booked for, because I have not told them. I had one fresh face Friday for $60, and then I sold $45 worth of touch-up kits, meaning I sold 3 because I sold them $15 each, and then different price, $45 for friends and family. Friends and family discount, I was actually planning on doing it free. It was my sister. I planned on doing it free, but she felt like she wanted to pay me. I was like, no, please don't do that. I personally love doing makeup. I know I want the money, but I love doing makeup, so I'm like, okay, I can do without it. But I just said, you can tip me if you want to tip me. She tipped me $45. Thank you. Because I was going to do it for free. Like, at the end of the day, I was going to do it for free. So getting some money out of was going to do something for free, it's a win. And then, so I made $810 in total this month, which is pretty good, because June, I think I made the exact same. No, I made less than June. In June I made $825. So not bad. Slower months. The months is getting slower. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been averaging around 800 so far these last couple of months. May is different. May, not at all. But averaging that. So I'm pretty much happy. I'm excited, you know. Hopefully it will be, not hopefully, it's going to start picking back up soon once the fall rolls in, and then fall, winter, holiday season or whatever. So as long as I'm staying afloat, which I have been staying afloat, I'm just very grateful for that. Money is coming my way, so I'm not even worried, but I still like to track. Still like to make sure stuff is getting done that needs to be done. But yeah, so this is pretty good. Next month will be better. I think I want to start making like, actually, let me not get beside myself because I still haven't uploaded in about a month. But hopefully you guys see this soon. Maybe Monday, if I get around to editing those videos on my phone from my clients that I had. They were so lovely. But if y'all get that, y'all will see that in the vlog. I mean, just know that you're waiting on that to see this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't know, I do have makeup beginner guides link. The information is going to be in my Instagram link in my bio. I have makeup beginner guides. If you're ever trying to do your makeup and just feel like you don't know where to start, whatever, my It Girl Glam Ultimate Beginner's Guide is the perfect guide for you guys. It's definitely informative. I've had a lot of people talk about it. I had a lot of people read it and make sure that my brain was able to translate correctly onto the screen, so that way you guys could read it and visualize and see everything you need to see. Also, there is pictures included, and I definitely think it's worth the price. It's really affordable too. Please go check that out. It's definitely going to be in the description, in my Instagram. Follow me on all of my socials, and I'll see you guys whenever I see y'all, probably on a Monday though.